Now, with this one here, we're going to calculate R. In fact, we're not calculating I, we're calculating R, which is the interest rate as a percentage. Now, let's start by reminding each other, how did we get I? We got I from saying something like this. Remember, we said I can be given by R all over what? All over R. So what are we looking for today? We're not looking for I, but we're looking for what? For R. R is the interest rate as the what? As a percentage. I is the interest rate as the what? As a decimal. So which one do we want? We want the one as a percentage. But they're not going to ask you here to say calculate as a percentage. They will just say calculate the interest rate. So they say Joseph invests 18,000. It grows to 25,000 over a period of 2 years. Calculate the interest rate to 1 decimal places if the investment ends simple interest. So it can either end as simple interest or it can end the compound interest. So let's go and check on how will you approach this thing here. I'm going to tell them which we have our A, which is the accumulated amount. What is our accumulated amount? It's the big one. So we have bigger amount. What is the principal amount? 18,000. We have 18,000. We have N. What is our N? 2 years. That's 2. What are we looking for, Tina? We're looking for R. What is R? R is equal to 100 multiplied by I. How do I know that? Look at this. If I cross multiply, I'm going to be left with R. Yes. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for R. So let's get down to business then. We are going to say the formula that we have, it says we have A, which is equal to P1 plus IN. Everyone is still happy then? Yes. Okay. Next thing that we're going to do is to substitute. We have 25. This side we have it's 1 plus. We have an option here. We can leave it as I and then we're going to substitute at the end, or we can change this. The other learners also prefer to do this. They say, why don't we write this as R all over 100 and then multiply by 2? You can still do that if you want to. But personally, I would say let's not substitute. Thank you. Let's write it exactly the way it is. So we'll write it as 2I. So we're going to calculate I. 2 is N. Yes. The I is the I. We'll come and say substitute I here. And then we'll get our what? Our R. Everyone is still happy? Yes. Okay, after that, nothing has changed. We're still going to start exactly the same way when we're calculating N. How did we do N? We divided both sides. Yes. So I'm going to say let's divide by 18. And then even this side we divide by what? By 18,000. Then 18 and 18. Here you are left with 1 plus 2I. Do this, you get 25. It's 25 all over 18. Yes. So we get 25 all over what? All over 18. Remember, what do we want? We want I. Okay, how do we proceed from here? We can take 1 to this other side. Yes. And then if we take 1 to this other side, it's going to become negative. Yes. So we have 25 all over 18 minus 1. Which is 7 over 8. It's 7 all over 8. Yes. So we have 7 all over 18, which is equal to 2I. We divide by 2, we divide by 2. Yes. And then it gives us I is equal to. As a fraction, you can give me as a fraction and then we'll round it. 7 all over 36. All over 36. That is. Then you can also give it to me as a decimal. But if you write it as a decimal, you need to write the whole thing. So let's write it like this because we are going to round off the final answer. Final answer, you can round it off to 2 decimal places. Then we're going to come and say, we know what is I. You said I is what? It's 7 all over? 1 decimal. Oh, they told us here. They said 1 decimal. Yeah, we're going to round off the final answer to 1 decimal. Then it's we're going to tell the rule which it's 100 multiplied by 7 all over 36. Then you put it on the SD then, so that you can get an answer. 19,4. It's 19,4. And then you write the percent. It's 19,4%. Since we're looking for the interest rates. Let's do this.